Unlike other humanoid robots on the market, which are typically designed for specific tasks like rescue operations or manufacturing, Optimus is a versatile robot with the ability to adapt to different environments and perform a wide range of tasks. In a warehouse setting, Optimus can easily transport boxes and organize inventory. In the hospital, it assists with patient care, pushes wheelchairs, and reminds patients to take their meds. And at home, it can act as your personal chef, a cleaner, and a diligent helper all in one. But perhaps the most exciting feature is its ability to learn and improve over time. This is what sets Optimus apart from the competition. As we approach the year's end, Optimus continues to showcase its potential, gearing up for the release of Gen 3. Discover more now. Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 72 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. Tesla Optimus just stunned the tech world with its new hands, catching a tennis ball with incredible accuracy in real time. Compared to all its rivals, Optimus stands out not just for its advanced technology, but also because it has the world's most powerful robot brain and a unique ability to mass produce, something no other company's been able to achieve so far. Tesla's getting closer to its goal of creating a future where robots don't just assist in everyday life, but Elon's got even bigger plans for the robot, alongside making it more successful than EVs. Tesla's infused the incredible learning power of FSD into Optimus's brain. Each unit of Optimus runs on the same hardware and software as a Tesla vehicle. It can also navigate autonomously using the same object recognition and learning capabilities that Tesla cars use every day. Optimus learns by observing humans doing tasks or can be taught how to do something via remote. Elon has also mentioned that eventually it'll be able to watch videos and learn how to perform tasks from them. So far, about 100 Optimus have been produced, and Tesla plans to ramp that production to over at least 1,000 robots by the middle of next year. We think 2,000 is quite feasible if they include the Gen 1 version of Optimus. As Elon's repeatedly revealed, Tesla's got some very ambitious plans for Optimus. He envisions a future where there will be 2 humanoid robots for every person on the planet, coming with a production goal of 10 to 20 billion humanoid robots, with Tesla aiming to build at least 100 million per year or more. And because of this, Elon insists that Optimus will be Tesla's biggest offering. Right now, Tesla is still working on refining the decision of Optimus for the upcoming version. They also need to train Optimus many times before it becomes fully autonomous by next year, which is why large-scale production hasn't started yet and we gotta wait till next year. Elon's mentioned that it'll cost less than a car, around $20,000 when mass production begins. Similar to the Cybertruck, this means that the first buyers of the Tesla bot will face higher costs for the initial production runs, which we think will be around 50 Gs. Eventually, Tesla will cut the cost as they make more units. We expect this to happen by 2027 or 2028. Once again, please help us reach 72 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Now, Elon has repeatedly emphasized that the starting price for Optimus will just be a cool 20 Gs. Pretty impressive compared to the other robots that range anywhere from 60 to over 100K. This price kind of seems too good to be true. Many people are skeptical about its feasibility, especially since Elon failed to deliver on timelines and pricing for previous Tesla models more than just once, leading to a lack of trust among consumers, making them believe that the $20,000 price tag for Optimus could just be a dream, and even if it does happen, it might get pushed back to as late as 2030. Also, many people believe Optimus will likely end up costing much more than initially promised because making advanced humanoid robots requires technology, materials, and just complex processes. This skepticism contributes to a decline in interest in Optimus, as they just don't think reasonable pricing are going to become a reality anytime soon. So the reason people aren't too fond of Optimus partly stems from Elon sharing a lot about it without actually giving real proof, making the majority very doubtful. Truth is, even if Optimus were priced at somewhere to $10,000, even as low as $5,000, if it just functions as a toy, no one's trying to buy that. Besides, the fact that Optimus's usefulness hasn't yet been proven, another reason people dislike it is the potential danger. We think most of us have read or at least watched at least one sci-fi movie about humanoid robots. For instance, Terminator or I, Robot. That's instilled fears that robots might not only serve us, but could also overthrow and control humanity, having us serve them. Even Elon warned about intelligent machines rebelling against humanity, just like in the Terminator movie, and that they could be more dangerous than nukes if used maliciously. That's why Tesla wants to make a robot that's as safe and friendly as possible, one that will always be controlled by the system. Therefore, we believe this isn't what people are really worried about. Instead, there's more concern about how Optimus might lead to job losses when these robots are deployed not just in Tesla factories, but other big corporations. Back in 2016, Elon said, "Robots will take your jobs, the government will have to pay your wage." So what does that mean?
But we expect to have several thousand Optimus robots produced and doing useful things by the end of next year in the Tesla factories. And then in 2026, ramping up production quite a bit. And at that point, we'll be providing Optimus robots to outside customers.
After Tesla laid off 14,000 people at its factories, the labor issue's gotten even more sensitive. What if more layoffs continue down the road as Elon brings in thousands of robots to replace actual workers? Big companies like Amazon, Pepsi, Walmart, and FedEx might also be buying Optimus to integrate into their operations. That's a real concern many people have about the Optimus robot. In the future, physical work will be a choice, Elon said. If you want to do it, you can, but you won't need to do it. We can't deny the reality that as automation technology gets more widespread, some manual or repetitive jobs that once required human effort could be replaced by robots. Workers in roles like assembly, material handling, or product inspection may face the risk of getting replaced if robots like Optimus can perform these tasks with higher efficiency and accuracy. It's insane that Optimus is marketed as a promising solution to overcome the limitations of human labor. With its 2.3 kilowatt battery pack, it can operate continuously for more than 8 hours without needing breaks, vacation time, health insurance, and that could significantly reduce factory operating costs. The jobs most at risk of being replaced are typically your simple repetitive tasks that require low-skill level workers. In this case, Optimus could take on roles that previously required many workers to do it manually.
But I think like next year, and my prediction is next year we'll have over 1,000, maybe a few thousand Optimus robots working at Tesla.
This is exactly what people are scared of with Optimus, that these robots will eventually replace humans in the workplace. That might not be possible right now, but none of us know how far they could advance in the future. Although the majority hold this viewpoint, we believe that Optimus or humanoid robots in general aren't going to lead to widespread unemployment. They'll only change the labor market. In terms of the tech, a factory filled with robots instead of human workers is at least a decade away, if not longer. You should know that when personal computers were first introduced 40 years ago, many people thought that office workers would become obsolete because computers could automate a lot of the repetitive tasks that humans did. Yet that didn't happen. Instead, as computers took over some of those jobs, office workers were assigned different tasks, boosting the company's productivity and leading to more revenue and higher profits. Also, according to a 2014 survey by U.S. companies, the biggest impact of robots in manufacturing is that they will create new job opportunities for workers. Instead of moving heavy parts or performing mundane tasks, workers can learn how to program and maintain those machines, along with a growing need for specialized skill in managing automated systems, creating exciting opportunities that never existed before. Example: Elon has confirmed that Tesla will be able to produce billions of Optimus robots, with a ratio of robots to human beings being 1-to-1, maybe even 2-to-1. This means that in the future, each person owns one robot, sometimes even more than one. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.